Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the DCOM error message 1084 when attempting to start the services on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that problem. Go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. Expand the display adapter section and whatever listed over here, you just want to go to properties and go to drivers tab and select uninstall device and attempt to remove the device. For this device, drivers may not be removed if it is still in use by another devices. Use the devices by driver. Review the manage drivers spectacularly. Select uninstall and now you just want to restart your computer guys, and now you want to restart your computer, and then Windows should automatically either download the drivers once the computer will be restarted. We'll reinstall it again guys and wait for it. After restarting your computer guys, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Windows Update. Open it. Select advanced option. Select it and go to optional updates. Optional updates. You have anything update listed here, drivers updates. Just want to check mark it and click download and install, and it will be installed guys. Now your display has been changed. Now your DCOM error message has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.